everyone doing? I can see a lot of you joining in. So welcome to the session. How are you guys and how was your afternoon? How was your day, by the way? All good? All good? All good? Okay. Good afternoon, guys. I can see a lot of you joining in the session. That's amazing. I'll just put my chat there. Okay. Hi, Aryan. Hi, Dragon Fruit. Hi, Charvi. Hi, Renu. Hi, Samarth. Hi, Saurabh. Konsi meeting? Okay. Hi, Swara. Hi, Dibashmita. And hi, Charvi Agarwal. Hi, Ayushi. Welcome to the session, guys. A very good afternoon, Nikhil. Very good afternoon. Hi, Ramya. Okay. Snehal. Thank you so much, Snehal. It's written Abhishek, but yeah, I guess Snehal. Hi, Vignesh. Hi, Shivani. Hi, Arshia. Hi, Ruchita. I am doing great. Thank you so much for asking. Hi, Mahika. Hi, Sonam. You're new to the channel. Welcome. You are in for an amazing fun and amazing ride in today's session. So let's begin the session. Today we're going to do the last session of linear equations in one variable, where we are going to reduce equations to simpler form and also reduce equations to linear form. So today we're going to have a lot of fun. I want you people to concentrate, because this entire session you are going to learn a lot of things that will definitely come in your exam. पक्का क्वेश्चन आएगा. आई एम टेलिंग यू, लिख के ले लो, पक्का आएगा क्वेश्चन. ठीक है, लेट मी जस्ट एडजस्ट माय कैमरा बिट. Okay, so hi Rutva, hello, good afternoon everybody, good afternoon. I'm doing great, thank you so much for asking. So let's get started. Firstly, I welcome each and every one of you sitting right here. I hope you people had your lunch and are sitting here, because we're going to do a lot of Menti, we're going to do a lot of practice questions. Okay, hi Ayushi, hi Rudra, hello, hi Anushka. Got new blue glasses. Oh, okay, that's nice. Blue lens glasses. That's amazing. It will protect you from the screen. Okay. You are a great teacher. Please tell the gadgets to use. Okay. Please tell the gadgets to use. Nitya is asking. The gadgets I use my phone to look at your live chats. Okay. Then I use my laptop to take session, and I use my Wacom to write whatever you're seeing on the screen. That's all the gadgets I use. And yes, the webcam also attached to the what do you call it, laptop. Okay. Hi Naman. Yes, I remember you. Obviously, I remember you. Hi Kirtana. Hi Dhairya. So welcome guys. I hope all of you had a blast of a day. So there are a lot of new students. If you are new to this channel, come on, quickly give me a heart in the chat box. Are you new to this channel? Are you new to the channel? If you are new, do not forget to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button right now. So to everyone who is new, I'm going to give a quick introduction about myself. My name is Haripriya, and I will be your maths master teacher here in Vedantu. I teach for grade 6, 7th and 8th on the Vedantu platform, and on YouTube, I take for grade 8. I can see a lot of hearts pouring in. So please make sure that you are subscribing to this channel, because we are in for a ride the entire academic year. We will make sure that you complete your NCERT textbook full and final, right? So as you can see, I've done my masters in mathematics. So you know the love I have towards this subject, and I want to imbibe the same kind of love in each and every one of you watching this session right now. And love you all. So many messages, so many hearts. Hi, hello, hi Pranjal, hi Navya. Weekly schedule bhi milega. I'll tell you at the end of the session, weekly schedule and all of it. Attend the class of yours. No problem. Okay. So you love from Hyderabad. I'm also from Hyderabad. High five from Hyderabad. Okay. So let's get started with a small pun. I usually start the session with a motivation, but आजकल मुझे लग रहा है कि jokes are more, offbeat. Like, you just go little, you blink your eyes and all. So I thought, let's start with a joke. So student says, teacher, would you punish me for something I didn't do? Teacher being teacher won't punish you for something you did not do, right? So teacher is like, of course not, I'll not punish you. So student is like, because I did not do my homework. I hope you people have got it here. Okay, love from Jammu Kashmir. Thank you so much. So, hi Asha, thank you. Mother tongue is Telugu. Oh, you're from Warangal? That's amazing. We have people from all over India. So, yes, I hope you people love this thing here. So, student says, you shouldn't punish me for something I did not do. Teacher, of course, will not punish, right? So, student being very smart, he's like, okay, because I did not do my homework, so please don't punish me. So yes, let's get started. Do not forget to like this video and mark your attendance. क्या हो रहा है? 223 people are live and only 140 likes. What are the others? The others are ghosts who cannot like. Come on guys, give me a big fat thumbs up here right now if you love the videos on this channel. And if you are new to the channel, do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon, because whenever I come live or any of the amazing master teachers come online, your notification, you will be getting a notification on your mobile phone, right? So let's get started. In the last class, I have given a homework question and a lot of you could solve it, and I'm really happy about it. So it was this: Shobho's mother's present age is 6 times Shobho's present age. Shobho's age 5 years from now, that is 5 years after, will be 1/3 of his mom's present age. So what are their present ages? A lot of you have given the correct answer, and for people who could not solve it, here is the solution. So what did we do? We have taken Shobho's present age to be x. Since Shobho's mother is 6 times x, so it is 6 into x. And then after 5 years, Shobho will become x plus 5. It will become 1/3 of Shobho's mother's present age. That was the twist in this particular question. It will be 1/3 of his mother's present age, not mother's age after 5 years. Okay, so that was the twist. I don't know how many of you could understand it, but yeah, so this is the equation. You solve for the equation, you get x is equal to 5, which is Shobho's age, and his mother's age would be 6 multiplied by 5, right? So, and these are the winners who have given it fast and correct. We have Janvi, Debushmita, Ritika, Adu, Charvi, Agarwal. Then we have Anvisha, Angira, Aryan Sharma, Datta, and Kamalashri. Good job, everyone. All of you have done a great work. And hi, Sudheshna, but I'm not ignoring you. There are so many people, and the chat just goes like that. Okay, so if you're there in this session, watching this session right now, you can quickly give me a heart there. Are you here? Yes, anybody of you here? Yes? Okay, Loknath, yes, you are there. Kamalashri, I know. Okay, that's amazing, guys. So, as we decided for this chapter, I told you for the leaderboard on the Menti, I'm going to give you batches. This for the top of the leaderboard and this for the bottom. So, this is just a reward batches to level up the motivation so that you get motivated and do all the questions right on Menti. आज भी हमारे पास दो Menti है. Now we're going to have Menti in another 10-15 minutes. So make sure you're calling all your friends and make sure that they are in with you. Win the battle of Menti. In the last class, we had Ayush Biswas, who has topped the leaderboard. And then we have Dasra, who was at the bottom of the leaderboard. Okay. Hi, Ishan. Hi, Pranjal. Thank you for so many hearts. Hi, Bhanu. Hi, Sudhashna. Thank you so much. Hi, Rupali. Please take my name. Vedanti. Acha, your name is Vedanti. Okay, Vedanti. That's nice. Okay. So, good job, everyone. So, today, let's see who's going to be on the top and who's going to be on the bottom. So, what are we going to study today? We are going to do linear equations in one variable and reducing those equations to simpler form. So what is the simpler form is what we're going to learn today, and also equations reducible to linear form. So there might be few equations which will not look like a linear form, but you have to make it into linear form and then solve it. So by the end of today's session, you will be knowing everything and anything about the linear equations in one variable. So make sure you're till the end of the session taking the homework question also. I will show the homework question at the end and put it in the comment section. Your name will be next in the next class, right? So you're not late. We just got started. Now, do you all remember what was the general form of a linear equation? Put it in the chat box right now. What was the general form of the linear equation? क्या था? What was the general form? X. Ax plus b. Only ax plus b. That's it, Renu. Ax plus b is equal to c. Charvi has done it right. Y is equal to mx plus c. Yes, Akshat, you are also right. Yes, it's not only x, bacha. So the general form of a linear equation is ax plus b is equal to c. This is a general form where your a cannot be equal to 0 and the highest power of the variable is equal to 1. So this is something we have done in our first class, right? So this simpler form of linear equation is nothing but the general form. So the general form, that is ax plus b is equal to c of the linear equation, is the simplest form of the linear equation. There cannot be any other form simpler than this one. So if they ask you what is the simple form of a linear equation, remember it is still ax plus b is equal to c. Don't get confused. Simplest form and general form, both are the same, right? So we're going to do a lot of problems like this. So let's solve problems while reducing them to simplest form. Why reducing them? Look at this right now. Is it in the form of ax plus b is equal to c? No. You're having fractions involved here. You're having variables on both the sides of the equal to symbol. So what is that you have to do? You have to bring all the variables to one side, all the constants to one side, and simplify it further to bring it into the form of ax plus b is equal to c. Now, bachas, please carefully listen to how I'm doing it step by step. X by 2. So here plus x by 3, when you transfer it to the other side, will become minus x by 3 is equal to 1 by 4 will remain as it is. Minus 1 by 5, what will happen when you shift it to the other side? You tell me. Minus 1 by 5, what will happen if you shift it to the other side? रानी त्रिपाठी गोल्डन रेशियो पे मैंने ऑलरेडी एक पूरा वीडियो बना दिया. प्लीज गो वॉच दैट वीडियो. ओके, exactly, it will become plus 1 by 5. Now what will we do? Let's take the LCM. So here the LCM is 6. So this is going to be 3x, this and minus 2x is equal to, यहाँ पे LCM क्या होगा? 20 and then 5 plus 4. So this here will become x by 6 is equal to 9 by 20. Now what is that you have to do? You have to isolate your x, correct? So there are two methods to do this. So either you can cross multiply or you can directly send division with 6 on the other side. It will become multiplication with 6, right? So this is how your problem will look like. Bring all the variables to one side, take the LCM of the denominators and then simplify and solve for the value of x. So your x is equal to 2.7 because 27 by 10 is 2.7, right? Awesome. Good work. Good work. One winner of homework. Okay, Charvi. Okay. Chalo, let's solve another one. Now this one looks a lot more complicated, but it is definitely not. So what is that you have to do? Again, there are multiple ways of doing this. The first one is I'm going to take the LCM on my left hand side and LCM on my right hand side also. So here when I take the LCM, it will become 12. So you multiply this entire thing with 3. So it will become 90 minus 6 because I'm multiplying 3 inside. Distributive property minus, because there's a minus sign, you have to multiply this entire thing with 4. That's how we take LCM. So it will become 80 plus 12 is equal to 2 minus 3t by 3. I have taken my LCM on my right hand side also. Okay. So next what will we do? Simplify. 90 minus 6 minus 80 minus 12 minus of plus. I'm opening the brackets. This is where a lot of you will make a mistake. Please be careful. Distributivity is not clear. So it is 3 multiplied by 3t minus 2. So you have to multiply your 3 with 3t minus, since there's a minus sign here, multiply 3 with 2 also. That is your distributive property. Okay. Divided by 12 is equal to 2 minus 3t by 3. So as you simplify, this is going to become t minus 18 by 12 is equal to 2 minus 3t by 3. Now you can cross multiply and get it in the linear equation form. This is how you have to do it. See, I have first taken LCM on my left hand side, and then I have taken the LCM on my right hand side and then cross multiplied. So 3 multiplied with t minus 18, 12 multiplied with 2 minus 3t. That's it. So whenever you're seeing fractions, first thing you have to do is you have to take the LCM and solve it so that you get in the form of this. A by B is equal to C by D, and then you cross multiply them. Okay? Okay, Harshita, it's your birthday. That's amazing. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Okay, it's Sudheshna. Happy birthday. A lot of birthdays today. Okay, cool. We will do R.S. Agarwal. We will do R.D. Sharma. We are going to do a lot of books and a lot of questions. Don't worry. Okay, so then you have to solve for your T. Your T will be equal to 2. Okay. So a lot of you have given the answer. Charvi has given the answer. That's amazing. Only Charvi is giving me the answer. Guys, what about you? Are you sitting with a book and a pen? Yes or no? What is happening? Okay. Hi, Deepika. Sushil Kumar, यहाँ पे कुछ ज़्यादा करना नहीं है बच्चा. You have to take the LCM on the left hand side. Take the LCM on the right hand side. So you will be getting in this form. After you get it in this form, you have to cross multiply. ठीक है? Now. So next problem, before we move into the next problem, let's do a Menti here first. So I know all of you are eagerly waiting for this. So as I promised, in another 10 minutes, I told there'll be Menti, and here it is. So chalo, you have to click on the, you have to open a new tab. If you are a person watching this session on the phone, so open your Google Chrome and go to menti.com. And come back to the session because इसके बाद भी हम लोग बहुत सारा कुछ करने वाले हैं, especially the word problems. So if you are facing difficulty in the word problems, please come back to the session. चलो, Menti शुरू करते हैं. I'm going to open up Menti. First, give me 1 minute. The code is 48962069. Let me open up. Okay. So I'm going to go small here for Menti. Yeah. So a lot of you have asked a question here. Describe mathematics in one word. My favorite subjects. Nice. Deepika, mathematician. Number. Okay. Math is amazing. Pathetic. Why? Okay. Boring. It's not boring at all. It's easy. It's interesting. Hi, Amit. Okay. My favorite subject, Hi-Fi. It's wonderful. It's amazing. Okay, it's intriguing. It is very intriguing. Maths is a good subject. Amazing and fabulous. Fun to learn. Exactly. Fun to learn. Half is easy and half is difficult. Okay, brain tricking. Okay. Tricky problems. See, obviously, the entire concept of maths is to make sure your brain is awake all the time, right? So awesome. I'm getting a lot of amazing, answers here. So let's begin the Menti, and we are going to start off with the first session. If you have not yet joined, the code is 48962069. 48962069. Chalo, I'm waiting for everybody to join in the session. Don't forget, we have more questions to do after this Menti also. Come on, only 180 people in the Menti. Kya ho raha hai? The code Kiran is 48962069. Hi Kanika, happy birthday. Yes, Geeta, maths is a super duper interesting chapter. Harsh Srivastava, if you're asking how to join, you have to open menti.com on a new tab and then use the code 48962069. Okay? And yes, happy Environment Day to everybody. Happy Environment Day. Okay, so let's get started with the first question on your screens. The value of x in minus 2 by 3 is equal to 2x is. The value of x in minus 2 by 3 is equal to 2x. Hi, Govind. Thank you, Kirtana. Hello. Okay, I can see a lot of you answering it. Be very careful with the negative sign. Be very careful with the negative sign. 2, 1. And let's look at the top 10 here who got it right. And first, 121, majority of you got it right. Lot of you got confused with that 1 by 3. Bacha, you have minus 2 by 3. So when you take this 2 to the other side, it will become multiplied by 1 by 2. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled, but you will still have minus sign. So the answer is minus 1 by 3. Minus sign is our enemy because that's where we lose our marks. So please make sure that you are taking care of that negative sign very carefully. Okay. So let's see. Dhruv is the fastest and leading the leaderboard. That's amazing. Good job, everyone. We have Vivek, Khushbu, Maggie, Janil, Agent 007, Earth Hero. Since it's Environment Day, we have Pokemon Rishit. It's a new Pokemon I didn't know of, Ritesh. Inya and Harini. Let's move on to the second question on your screens right now. If two angles are supplementary and one angle is double of the other, what is the larger angle? What do you mean by two angles are supplementary? They add up to 180 degrees. Remember. Pragati, you're so late. That's okay, but please try watching the replay of whatever you have missed, beta, okay? Two angles are supplementary. What is the angle? What is the largest angle? I don't want the value of x. I want the value of 2x. You got the wrong answer? Pratyaksha, why bacha? Come on, you have 30 more seconds. Hi, Anushka. A lot of you are getting it right. Hi, Zoya. But a lot of you are making a mistake. And the timer has started and it will end in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's see how many of you have got the answer here. Oh my god. Oh my god. A lot of you made mistake. So guys, two angles are supplementary. Matlab, let's take the two angles as A and B. So when you add A plus B, it is equal to 180 degree. But they're telling that one angle is double of the other. So if angle A is equal to X, then angle B is equal to 2X. So x plus 2x is equal to 180 because they are supplementary. X plus 2x is equal to 180 matlab 3x is equal to 180. X is equal to 180 divided by 3 which is equal to 60. But I didn't want the value of x. I wanted the value of the larger angle. So that is 2 multiplied by x which is equal to 120. The 72 people who have got it right, you people have done a great job. Now this is a leaderboard changing question. Let's see how many of you are going to get it here. And we have Janil leading the leaderboard. That's amazing. A lot of you have got it right. I'm really proud of it. And subscribe V. Okay. Hi Rudra. Hi Rudra. I have a lot of students named Rudra. So yeah. गेम चेंजिंग क्वेश्चन जशवंत गेम चेंजिंग क्वेश्चन तो आखिरी में ही आएगा ठीक है चलो ये नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑन योर स्क्रीन्स 11x minus 5 minus x plus 6 is equal to 2x plus 17. ये बहुत ही आसान सवाल है दिखता बहुत बड़ा है but then simplify your left hand side add and subtract all your variables and constants together bring all the variables to your left hand side and all the constants to your right hand side. Divyanshi is already telling the answer, but is it right? Did you do it? Check the answer, bacha. Quick. The code Ramyashri is 48962069. 48962069. Hi, Palak. आप ऐसे क्यों कर रहे हो? आप अलग, आई एम नॉट इग्नोरिंग यू बच्चा. What kite question? I did not understand. I don't know where you have pinged me, but please let me know where you have pinged me, or put your doubt in the comment section, because I read each and every comment. I do not open up my telegrams. Please put it in the comment section. If you have any doubts, I will try to reply back to you. Okay? Guys, you can also follow me on Instagram haripriya.vedantu. तो वहां पे लाइव अपडेट्स मिलते रहेंगे आपको कि नेक्स्ट क्लास कब होगा, क्या होगा टॉपिक, रिमाइंडर्स, एवरीथिंग विल बी गिवन. Okay, what is supplementary angles? Rajesh, supplementary angles are those angles which add up to 180 degrees. Okay? Okay, a lot of you have got the correct answer, 137. That's a good count. The correct answer here is option number 2, that is 2. Right? So you just have to solve for x there. So bring all the variables to one side, constants to one side. And let's see. We have Agent 007, fastest and leading the leaderboard. Akshay, the grade 7 stunner. Okay, that's amazing. Chalo, let's move on to the next question. Are you all ready? Now, before we move on to the next question, just give me 1 minute. We have to do the remaining topics, okay? So, let's finish off with the remaining topics before we move on to the next one. So, the remaining topic that we are going to talk, the last topic, और 10 मिनट रुक जाओ, ये last topic भी हो जाएगा, उसके बाद हम करेंगे फिर से mint, ठीक है? I'm just going to switch off. चलो. So what is an equation? When is an equation called a linear equation? Can somebody tell me in the chat box? Come on, Menti, we will do it again. Come back to this class here. Chalo. Govind, why are you sad because of me? What did I do? Hi, Kushnava. Happy birthday. Thank you, Deepika. Code मैं फिर से बताऊंगी when we are doing it. Okay? Akshat Srivastav has got it right. When the power of x is 1, that's when we call an equation a linear equation, right? So the highest power of the variable is only 1. Only then you can call it a linear equation. And when you have only one variable, it is a linear equation in one variable. So these are the examples of linear equations in 2 variables. Look at this, 3 variables here. Here also 3 variables. But what do I want in only one variable? But what is a linear equation? Where the highest power of any variable that you can see here is 1. Correct? Now, just give me 1 minute. An equation is a straight line. Yes, you are right, Harshita. You are very right. Very right. Now, can you say that this equation is a linear equation? Yes or no? Think and tell me the answer in the chat box right now. Do you think this equation here is a linear equation? Adi Jain, please, can you please watch the replay for that, please? Thank you, Vanshika. Is it a linear equation? Is it in the form of ax plus b is equal to c? Yes or no? Hi, Nikhil. Yes or no? Okay, a lot of you are saying yes. But guys, it is not in the form of ax plus b is equal to c. It is not a linear equation. Since the expression on the left hand side is not linear, you cannot have an expression where the numerator and the denominator is having a variable. It is not linear anymore. Please understand this, okay? But we can put this into a linear form. How do we do that? By cross multiplying, by removing the denominator, that is by cross multiplication. So how do we reduce it to the linear form? By cross multiplying. So suppose you have 2x minus 3 divided by 3x plus 2 is equal to minus 2 by 3. Hai na? So now what will we do? Cross multiply. Multiply your 3 with 2x minus 3. Multiply your minus 2. Please be very careful with the negative side. Minus 2 with 3x plus 2. So you have 6x minus 9 is equal to minus 6x minus 4. Now what will you do? Minus 6x when you take it to the other side will become plus. And minus 9 when you take it to this side will become plus 9. So bring all the variables to one side, all the constants to one side. See, you have a linear equation and you also got the what do you call it, value for x, right? So you can't, can we take both x and y? Arpita, in our grade 8, we do not have both in two equations, linear equations in two variables. We do not have that. We only have for one variable. Okay. Hi Aditi. Hello. A lot of you have got the answer. Awesome. Now let's solve a question like this. What do we do here? What is the first step? Can somebody tell me what is the first step? Sujal, after doing all the questions only we'll do menti bacha. Okay? Jaldi nahi karungi main. Sushil, I will explain using this again. You tell me. You please carefully listen. Lognath, Kamalashri, I guess Kamalashri has got it right. You have to cross multiply. Akshat has got it right. Charvi has got it right. Zoya got it right. Devoshmita got it right. Gunjan got it right. Exactly. You have to cross multiply. Whenever you're seeing an equation like this, where you have variables on both numerator and denominator, please cross multiply. So you have 8 multiplied by 1 minus 9y is equal to 5 multiplied by 19 minus 3y. That's it. And then you solve using distributive property. Bring all the variables to one side. Bring all the constants to one side. There you go. You will be getting your answer. Please don't forget to reduce it further if you can. For that, you need to be really good with your tables. Okay? Harshita, if you ask for menti, I will not give you menti. Menti hoga bacha. Please have patience. If you don't learn the concept, you will not score well in menti. Right? So please learn the concept. Now, let's do a word problem. यहाँ पे थोड़ा mistake हो गया, ठीक है? The denominator of the rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. So let's write step by step. Denominator of the rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. So a rational number is always in the form of n by d, numerator by denominator, p by q form. ये तो हमने पहले ही सीख लिया है. Now, if the numerator is increased by 17, if the numerator is increased by 17, then the denominator is decreased by 1. But what is the denominator here? The denominator is n plus 8. So denominator is decreased by 1. And the number obtained is 3 by 2. So we know that the numerator by denominator, what is numerator here? N by n plus 17 divided by, what is your denominator? Your n minus 7. The fraction is equal to 3 by 2. We are going to break this question. What did I do? I broke the question into pieces, then formed the equation, right? So I'm going to take my numerator to be x. So it will become x plus 17, and here it will become x plus 7. So you will be getting in the form of x plus 17 divided by x minus 7, x plus 7 is equal to 3 by 2. Yes, thank you Gajendra. Yes, it is n plus 7. Okay, so the denominator of the denominator of the rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. So that's why I have done denominator is equal to n plus 8. And if you increase the numerator by 17, that is, if your numerator is n, you're increasing it by 17, so you have to add 17 to it, right? And then the denominator gets decreased by 1. So it will become n plus 8 minus 1, which is n plus 7. Then numerator by denominator is equal to 3 by 2. There you go. So this is how you have to solve it. This is your numerator, x plus 17. Denominator, x plus 7 is equal to 3 by 2. क्या करना है? Cross multiplication. See, you have to cross multiply. Let me write it here. X plus 17 divided by x plus 7 is equal to 3 by 2. So you cross multiply. You will be having 2 multiplied by x plus 17 is equal to 3 multiplied by x plus 7. That's it. You solve for your x. Bring all the variables to one side, all the constants to one side. So, bachcha, यहाँ पे please carefully concentrate. What is happening here? I have written my variables on my right hand side and constants on my left hand side. Do you think I've done a mistake here? What do you think? Do you think I've done a mistake? No? Yes? No? No. Exactly. Hi Sonia. I did not do a mistake. You can have your variables on the right hand side and constants on the left hand side. So somebody asked me, can you please explain the second this thing here? I'm going to quickly erase this. Now guys, I'm going to explain it again. Please carefully listen. So the denominator of the rational number is greater than the numerator by 8. Okay, this is over. Now let us take the numerator to be x. So the denominator would be x plus, denominator would be your x plus 8, right? Now what are they telling? If the numerator is increased by 17, what did we take the numerator as? X. So if the numerator is increased by 17, then the denominator is decreased by 1. So it will become d minus 1, which is x plus 8 minus 1, which is equal to x plus 7. Now the fraction will become 3 by 2. So when this happens, the fraction will become 3 by 2. So numerator by denominator. Numerator kya tha? X plus 17 divided by x plus 7 is equal to 3 by 2. So you have to cross multiply and solve for your x, right? If we write 3 multiplied by, Diti, that is also correct. That is also okay. You can multiply. You can write 3 multiplied by x minus 7, x plus 7 is equal to 2 multiplied by x plus 17. You can also do that. No issues with it. Okay. Pokemon quiz in this session. Vignesh, not in this session, but we will definitely do it. Okay. Now, before we move on to the final problem, after this, we'll have Menti. So bear with me for another 10 minutes. Okay. Uske baad Menti hoga. Now, problems based on digits. Whenever I give you a number 53, a 2-digit number, you can write it as 5 into 10, which is 50, plus 3 into 1, because 5 is sitting in the tens place. So if I take a number A, B, it's a 2-digit number. I can write it as 10A plus B. Correct? I can write it as 10A plus B. If I reverse the digits, it will become BA. So I will write it as 10B plus A. So 53 को जब मैंने reverse किया, it has become 35. So your tens place is now 3. So that's why I've multiplied 3 with 10. And your ones place is 5. So I've multiplied 5 with 1. Correct? Interchanging digits and original. So original is 10A plus B. When you interchange, it will become 10B plus A. Why 10? Because A is sitting in the tens position. We multiply A with 10. B multiplied by 1 is nothing but B. So we will leave it as it is. Okay. Yes, we have done this in grade 7th. You are right. We have done this in grade 7. Now, we are going to do a word problem based on it. Now, carefully listen. A number consists of 2 digits whose sum is 9. So, there's some number. Let's take the number to be AB. It's AB, like 81, 72. Okay. So, the sum of the digits is 9. So, when you add your A plus B, it is equal to 9. Okay. So, now what will I do? I will take my B as 9 minus A. What is B? B is the digit in the units place. Okay. If 27 is subtracted from the number. So, what is the original number? Can I write the original number as 10A plus B? Yes or no? Can I write my original number as 10A plus B if the number is AB? Yes, yes, Diti is getting it right. Loknath, Rajesh. Yes, why not? Exactly, Karika. Now, what will I do? I will replace my B with 9 minus A because we want only a linear equation in one variable. So, it will become 10A plus 9 minus A, which is 9A plus 9. Now, this is your original number. What are they telling? If 27 is subtracted from the original number, so original number minus 27, its digits are reversed. When AB is reversed, it will become BA. What is the general form here? 10B plus A. So the digits are reversed. You're getting a reversed number. So the reversed number here is 10B plus A. But instead of B, we are going to write 9 minus A. So 10 of 9 minus A plus A. So the reverse number is 9A plus 9 minus 27 is equal to 10 of 9 minus A plus A. That's all you have to do. I know a lot of you are getting confused here. So I'm going to take this up again. Please carefully listen. One last time. After that, you have to watch the replay. So let the two-digit number be AB. Okay. So they're telling that the two digits whose sum is 9. So when you're adding A and B, the two digits of the number, it is equal to 9. So A is in the tens place, B is in the ones place. Okay. For example, 81. 8 plus 1 is 9. 8 is in the tens place, B is in the ones place. This is just an example that I'm giving. Okay. So here I'm going to write my B in terms of A. I'll write B as 9 minus A. I can do that because we want linear equation in only one variable. Menti hoga, give me 10 minutes. Okay. So when you reverse the digits, so you have original number which is in the form of 10A or A10. You can write it as 10A or A10. Kuch bhi chalega. I'm going to write it as 1 minute. Yeah. So I'm going to write it as 10A plus B. Okay. Because A is in the tens position. Now I will write it as 10A plus B ka kya value tha? 9 minus A. We are taking it from here. Now, what are we telling? If 27 is subtracted from that number, original number minus 27, then the digits are becoming reversed. You're getting a reverse number. तो अगर AB original number है तो उसका reverse क्या हो जाएगा? BA. That means B is sitting in the tens position. So that is 10B plus A. ये होगा आपका reversed number. But B का value क्या है यहाँ पे? यहाँ पे B का value है 9 minus A plus A. That's it. Substituted here. So original number is 10A plus 9 minus A minus 27 is equal to 10 of 9 minus A plus A. Got it? So please make sure. I'm going to go step by step. I'm taking the units digit to be X and tens digit here to be 9 minus X. मैंने उल्टा कर रही हूँ अभी, ठीक है? Then original number will be 10A plus B. Since your 10A, the tens digit is 9 minus X, I have substituted here. And the units digit I have taken as X. वहाँ पे मैंने बस A and B लिया है, यहाँ पे मैं X ले रही हूँ. तो reverse digit क्या हो जाएगा? ये जो number है यहाँ पे आ जाएगा, ये X जो है यहाँ पे आ जाएगा. So it is 10X plus 9 minus X. And then you solve according to the question. Original number minus 27 is equal to reverse number. And solve for the value of X. You will be getting the number 63 first. You will be getting X. X say you have to get the tens digit also. Okay? Rani, please don't spam here because I cannot do it here. Put it in the comment section. We will try to take up that question in our next class. Okay? Bachas, जो भी doubt है word problems पे, put it in the comment section. I will take that in the next class. Okay? Okay. Chalo. So let's move forward and take up the quiz, which is Menti. So I hope all of you are ready for Menti. Give me a heart if you are ready for Menti. Hi, Vibhas. I will tell you the code of Menti. Don't worry. Now, before we start off Menti, just give me 5 minutes. Okay? So I know a lot of you are feeling left out because I'm not able to take your doubts. But on the Vedantu platform, we can connect with each other more. So if you want to join our Vedantu classes, my Vedantu classes on the platform and gain 100% knowledge and score 100% marks, here's a good news for all of you. So I'm going to start my batch from June 21st, June 21st of this month. Yeah. So there'll be unlimited live classes with fun-filled and high-level quizzes. Once you become the long-term student of Vedantu, you will be getting unlimited classes throughout the day. And यहाँ पे तो Menti एक या दो बार होता है, वहाँ पे Menti बार होता है. And it's not Menti, it's quiz for us, right? So interactive replays with live quizzes and leaderboard. तो यहाँ पे if you have missed Menti and when you're watching the replay of a YouTube session, you can't do Menti, तो आपको FOMO हो रहा है ना? तो वेदांतु के प्लेटफॉर्म में you can give an interactive replay का एक ऑप्शन है जहाँ पे आप लोग फिर से क्विज कर सकते हो even if you have missed out on the session. And वहाँ पे there's leaderboard which does not only display top 10 names, there will be a lot of other names. Alexa, stop. I don't know why my Alexa keeps stop. Okay. So there'll be leaderboard which will be displaying the top 15 names in the class, and along with that you can compete with students throughout the world. यहाँ पे भी बच्चे, बहुत सारे बच्चे हैं जहाँ जम्मू कश्मीर से आ रहे हैं, वरंगल, हैदराबाद, बैंगलोर, केरला, कर्नाटका, वेस्ट बंगाल, नागालैंड, असम. वी डू हैव पीपल फ्रॉम ऑल ओवर द कंट्री. तो यहाँ पे वेदांतु के प्लेटफॉर्म में यू कैन compete with students all over the world. So this is one snippet from my class where we have amazing students. You can interact with me. जैसे यहाँ पे वीडियो है तो मैं आपका वीडियो भी ऑन कर सकती हूँ, and I can unmute you so that you can tell your doubt, because typing doubt is very difficult. Especially maths में टाइप नहीं हो सकता है, मैं समझ सकती हूँ, है ना. इसलिए यहाँ पे अनम्यूट का ऑप्शन है. यहाँ पे आप बात भी कर सकते हो मेरे से. There is what do you call it, video also. And apart from that, you can download premium content which is handwritten by the master teacher, and this is how the content looks like. This is how your notes looks like. You don't have to go with any other notes. सब कुछ यहाँ पे आपको मिल जाएगा. You don't have to write or anything. सेशन के बाद आप डाउनलोड कर लो PDF की तरह and save it in a file. Just open it whenever you have exams, and you will be having notes after every chapter, after every session. Right? So that is amazing. It makes your work very easy. And then one of our best features is in the class doubt solving with high quality tests and assignments. अब doubt solving is very important because a lot of you do not understand concepts because your doubts are not getting solved, है ना. तो यहाँ पे क्लास के अंदर बहुत सारे डाउट्स पूछे जाएंगे, and it's not only me, मेरे साथ और भी मास्टर टीचर्स है और भी क्लास टीचर्स है who will be taking up your doubts. So this is an example. In my class, 175 doubts were asked, and 175 doubts were solved by the master teachers and the class teachers, right? So now you can also get the fastest fingers list, the top 10 people who have answered it right and fast. Your name will also be displayed. So like this, we have amazing features and appreciation after every question that you do right. बहुत सारे फीचर्स है जो आपने कहीं भी नहीं देखा होगा. And once you become a long-term member of Vedantu, long-term student of Vedantu for the one entire year, if you take a course, जो भी माइक्रो कोर्सेज है वो सारे फ्री हो जाएंगे आपके लिए, ठीक है. क्रैश कोर्स भी हो सकता है, बोर्ड एग्जाम्स, कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम, ओलंपियाड एग्जाम्स, जो भी है, इट विल बी गिवन टू यू फॉर फ्री. बिकॉज व्हाट इज दिस माइक्रो कोर्सेज. तो सोचो आपको लीनियर इक्वेशन समझ में नहीं आया, पर लॉन्ग टर्म बैच में लीनियर इक्वेशन हो गया, एंड बिफोर द एग्जाम यू वांट टू रिवाइज दैट अगेन. So you can take a micro course where the entire chapter is divided into 6 or 5 sessions and is explained to you in detail. तो ये वाला micro course बहुत ही free में मिलने वाला है. And remember, the more classes you do, the more micro courses, the more crash courses you take, the less you are paying. So we have also done a math behind this, and we have seen that on an average, when you take micro courses, long-term courses, everything, tests and assignments, you're actually paying less than rupees 10 per class, which is less than the cost of a Lay's packet. That is something we can afford, right? So it's actually less than rupees 10. So all you have to do for registering is click on the link which is there in the description box right now. It is also pinned in the chat, and you can use this coupon code YHPRO. Now I'm going to take you to a thing here. Now kindly just bear with me for 2 more minutes, and then उसके बाद menti होगा. So when you click on the link, you will be coming up to this beautiful website where you can see here. You can see the grade 8 is already applicable. As you scroll down, यहाँ पे आपको 3 different plans मिलेंगे. तो प्रो क्लासिक में आपको डाउट सॉल्विंग ऑन द मोबाइल ऐप होगा आफ्टर द क्लास. प्रीमियम में आपको पर्सनल मेंटोर मिलेगा. सो यू क्लिक ऑन दैट एंड क्लिक ऑन दिस वीडियो. You will get to know what are the what do you call it, roles of a personal mentor who will help you with what, and all of that will be given to you. Okay, and the best part is you can use my coupon code YHPRO to get a discount. Try it for 1 month. Trust me on this. It's going to be super duper amazing. It will make your entire academic year a very easy and a smooth one. So my coupon code is already applied. And if you buy a complete course, I have a promise that I will make to you. I will tell you after this. So, and the best part here is premium में जो है, premium में बस 15 बच्चे हैं. So if there are less students in the class master teacher can concentrate more on your doubts, making sure your doubts are clarified, your concepts are cleared. तो प्रीमियम में ये एक है, यहाँ पे बस 15 बच्चे हैं, तो you can apply the coupon code and take. My batches are starting from June 21st. So if you are interested to join my batch, please don't forget to enroll. So यहाँ पे the timetable is also already given to you here. You will be having a timetable where you can see which class is when once you start enrolling. So click for 1 month, try it out for 1 month and use my coupon code. Rest, I am guaranteeing you will have a blast of a time on our platform. As you can see, the only difference between क्लासिक एंड प्रीमियम हियर इज पर्सनल मेंटर क्लासिक में नहीं है, और प्रोलाइट में आपको डाउट सॉल्विंग आफ्टर द क्लास एंड पर्सनल मेंटर भी नहीं आएगा. ठीक है, सो दिस इज वेयर यू कैन अप्लाई माय कूपन कोड. द कूपन कोड इज YHPRO. ठीक है, तो नाउ यू मस्ट बी थिंकिंग मैम ये बहुत ही ज्यादा अमाउंट है, बट गाइज यू कैन पे इन EMI, मंथली इंस्टॉलमेंट में पे कर सकते हो, वेयर हार्डली यू पेइंग 2000 रुपीज पर मंथ and enjoy the uninterrupted learning. But by the end of the academic year, you're actually not paying all this amount. Why? Because you are getting unlimited micro courses. So all this amount per class, you're actually paying less than 10 rupees, as I said. Now, this is something very affordable. This is something that you can do for your future. Schools open हो रहे, नहीं हो रहे, exams होगा, नहीं होगा, हमें कुछ पता नहीं है future का. But please make sure that you are getting your knowledge at the right time. Now, for people who are taking the entire complete course, एक पूरा long term, that is for 1 year, so we are going to give you a promise, Vedantu improvement promise, where your improvement is our responsibility now. So we believe that if it can be measured, it can be improved also. So there's a guaranteed improvement in every child's school and board exam, and also guaranteed improvement in the benchmark test. Now आप पूछ सकते हो मैम लाइक अगर नहीं हुआ तो क्या, हमने तो ले लिया पर इम्प्रूवमेंट नहीं हुआ, मुझे लगा इम्प्रूवमेंट नहीं हो रहा है तो क्या. तो all your money that you have paid for the entire year will be given back to you, no questions asked. If you see no progress, all the money will be given back to you. See, this is the confidence we have on our curriculum, our tests and assignments, our master teachers की हर एक बच्चा जो enroll होगा उसका what do you call it improvement होगा ही होगा. Every kid who is joining Vedantu will definitely have improvement. That is our guarantee. That is our what do you call confidence that we have on every team of Vedantu. That's why we are telling, if you feel that there's no improvement, your money will be given back to you. But commitment needs a helping hand. You should also be responsible. तो यहाँ पे आपको minimum 75% attendance होना जरूरी है पूरे 1 year में. And जो भी हम टेस्ट आपको दे रहे हैं, all the tests that we are going to give you, that will also be coming. First, you should be able to do 75% of that as well. 1 month there will be micro courses or not. Rani, there will be micro courses definitely, but it won't be for free. ठीक है, अगर आप पूरे साल का लोगे तो micro course free होगा. ठीक है, so promise assured here. Our promise is assured. If you feel there is no improvement, your course fee will be given back to you. And no progress, get your money back, no questions asked. And my batch is starting from June 21st for batches for grade 6, 7th and 8th. So if you want to enroll, you use my coupon code YHPRO and enroll for my batch right now. So it's starting from June 21st. Please do not waste any time here. The premium batches are also starting on 14th of June, 7th of June and 7th of June. 31st May को भी एक शुरू हो गया for CBSE. ICSE के लिए भी शुरू हो गया 7th June और 10th May को. Enroll right now. My batch is starting from June 21st, where I am teaching for grade 6th, grade 7th, grade 8th also. So use my coupon code YHPRO and enroll for the batches right now. So the link is already given in the description box. So click करो उस link पे and ये वाला coupon code use करो, discount पाओ, and you can all meet me personally on the Vedantu platform where we can have a lot more fun, right? चलो मेंटी करते हैं, सब लोग मेंटी पूछ रहे हैं, चलो मेंटी करते हैं, पर हाँ, do not forget to get the what do you call it, link in the comments, in the live chat. It is pinned and also in the description below. Now, before we move on, I have a small cause that I want to talk to you all about, where Vedantu is taking this initiative because India's children needs a wave of support. Lot of students have lost on their education due to this pandemic. So swipe to learn how are we helping out. So this also will be given in the description box. The pandemic has been quite hard on our children. So what we are pledging is we are going to donate 15 crore rupees to take around 12,000 of students from all over India and provide them with education, right? So you can go to the website www.helpindialearn.in and donate whatever you think you can do it, right? So it's a Vedantu initiative to secure education and future of every student who has missed out on school this academic year. Not everybody is very privileged to have laptops, cell phones. I understand. So it is for all those students who have missed out on education. So please do your bit as well. चलो मेंटी आ गया. मेंटी के बाद हम करेंगे क्वेश्चंस जो मेंटी में है. ऑल्सो होमवर्क क्वेश्चन भी करेंगे जिसका आप कमेंट सेक्शन पे लिख सकते हो. Let's get started with Menti. What is that you have to do? www.menti.com and code है 48962069 for everybody. Come on. Hi Sonia. गुप्ता जी यहीं पे है कोड 48962069. Hi श्रावणी. फुल फॉर्म ऑफ मेंटी. मेंटी का फुल फॉर्म कुछ नहीं है. When do we have Pokemon quiz? Vignesh, I will definitely come up with it. We need more preparation because I also don't know much about it. So definitely करेंगे, ठीक है? होमवर्क क्वेश्चन का आंसर कमेंट सेक्शन में करना है, चैट बॉक्स में नहीं करना है, ठीक है? चलो, are you all ready, guys? Are you all ready? I'm going to open up our Menti. Okay, let's get started with the fourth question. Are you all ready? I can see a lot of you in the chat box. If you are in the comment here, if you are not yet here, don't forget you have to just click on menti.com and use the code 48962069. ठीक है? Chalo, let's get started. And here is your fourth question. Simpler form of x by 2 plus x by 8 is equal to 1 by 8 is. I want you to convert this into simpler form. Simpler form is what? We have learned it in this session. Simpler form is nothing but the general form of the linear equation, which is ax plus b is equal to c. What will be the simpler form? बहुत सारे बच्चे गलत दे रहे हैं, but there are few people who are giving it right. Hi Srinitya. And scored good marks in my grade 8. Now in your grade 9. That's amazing. Srinitya, thank you so much. Thank you so much. So guys, if you are in grade 8, 6 or 7, you can always join me on the Vedantu platform. We're going to have super duper fun. Okay, chalo. 10 seconds. That's it. Hi Josh, hashtag OP. Okay. Diti. 3, 2, 1. And let us look at the people who have got it right. Very few people could answer this right. The answer is 5x is equal to 1. तो यहाँ पे 8 और 2 का आप LCM ले लो. Then you have to cross multiply and get it into the linear form, which is 5x is equal to 1. ठीक है? चलो. Your fifth question on your screens. Are you all ready? Oh, I forgot about the leaderboard. चलो देखते हैं किस किसने सही जवाब दिया. Unknown mathematician it seems. Okay, Janil is the fastest, but Agent 007 is on the top of the leaderboard. That is amazing. Let's move on with the fifth question. And Tanishk, thank you so much. Your answer is right. That is amazing, Manash Kumar. Hi, Pragati. Yes, I definitely remember you. Hi, Vignesh. Simpler form of the equation 2x minus 1 by 3 minus 6x minus 2 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3. I have given a lot of time. The denominators are the same. So you just have to subtract your numerators and then cross multiply. Jaldi karo. Come on. And this is why you need to have your pen and book with you whenever you're doing a question. Hurry up, guys, hurry up. Okay, quick. 4, 3, 2, 1. And let us look at the top 10 of you here. Okay, not top 10 first. Okay, very few people could get the correct answer, guys. You just have to take the LCM. The LCM was the same. Let's look at the leaderboard here. And this was a leaderboard changing question. Let's see how many of you could get it right. And Raman Raj being the fastest and Mohit Saxena on the top of the leaderboard. That is amazing. Your next question on your screens. 3x plus 5 divided by 2x plus 7 is equal to 4. Solve this. 3x plus 5 divided by 2x plus 7 is equal to 4. Quick. One more minute. I can see a lot of you answering it right already. It's the most easiest thing that you can do. If you have your pen and paper with you, pen and book with you. Manya, I will do it from the next one. Bacha, definitely I'll do it from the next one. Okay? Yes, we do have video sessions on Vedantu app also, Zoya. It will be video. Like you can see me, I can see you too. 30 seconds. I guess everybody has already voted. Let's just go with the leaderboard. I guess we are running out of time also. Okay, let's see how many of you will get it right here. And too much time. I know. Yashasvi being the fastest and Mohit Saxena still on the top of the leaderboard. Let's move on with the next question, which is on your screens. But what is happening? Okay, let's look at the next question. Okay, I'm not able to move to the next question. Why? Okay, the next question was a leaderboard. Okay, there's some glitch happening here. Cool. There was some glitch. I'm so sorry. So yes, Mohit Saxena leading the leaderboard. That's amazing. And then we have Vaibhav on the bottom of the leaderboard. Good job, everyone. All of you who have tried, you've done a great work. Now, let's go back and do our, homework question. So this is the homework question, guys. Please make sure that you are solving this and putting in the comment section the top 10 names I'm going to take up after this, in the next class. So this is the homework question. I guess there's a lag also. So yes, the mentee is over. Mohit Saxena has won the mentee. All of you, good job. Quickly take down. And do not forget to like, share and subscribe. If you are new to this channel, give me a heart and subscribe it right now. Without any courses, no Zoya, only with courses you will be having. Okay? So yes, thank you so much, guys. You people were amazing today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Comment the homework below in the comment section. Subscribe to the channel right now if you haven't subscribed it yet. So see you all in my next class, which is going to be on Tuesday. We're going to have a one-shot revision of linear equations in one variable. Pura chapter 1 घंटे में पढ़ लेंगे with a lot of mentee. So Tuesday 11 a.m. I'm going to see all of you. Until then, bye-bye and take care.